I'm Jordan McCool, and it's time to ask the attorney your question. I'm here with attorney John Haymond from the Haymond Law Firm. Hi, John. Thanks so much for joining us.
Good to see you, Jordan. Thank you for the invitation.
Yeah, great to see you too. Okay, so let's get right to the questions. Lance M. asked, I was riding last weekend and a car didn't see me and pulled out right in front of me, leaving me no choice but to lay my bike down. My injuries are bad and I'm worried they will say it was my fault. What should I do?
Yeah, I'm so very sorry to hear about this, Lance, and I truly wish you a very speedy and full recovery. It's all too true that we see this type of accident far too often within the motorcycle community. And laying the bike down means that when a car turns in front of you, what you do is you have a choice. You can either go straight ahead and have an absolute collision with the vehicle in front of you. Of course, you would downshift, and of course, you would put your brakes on, but nevertheless, you'd have a collision. Or in the alternative, you can either go to the left or go to the right to avoid a collision with that vehicle turning left in front of you. That's what laying the bike down means. So the insurance company will further state that if there's no contact between the motorcycle and the car, therefore, how can you prove that there, in fact, was going to be an accident? We overcome that objection each and every time. I can assure you, beyond any question, that it's, from my perspective, having done this for well over 40 years, that it's an easy obstacle to overcome.
Now, those objections that you just talked about, how would somebody go about overcoming those and kind of fighting against the insurance company?
Well, it's quite simple. The driver of the car was making an improper left-hand turn. So they are the primary party at fault in causing this accident. So from the motorcyclist's perspective, it was an unavoidable accident.
Okay, well, a lot of really great advice for somebody that is in this instance. Thanks so much for that information. And to ask the attorney your question, you can either call 1-800-HAYMOND or you can email asktheattorney@haymondlaw.com.